be doing a cover of Kissing in Cars by Pierce the Veil. If it sounds retarded, it sounds retarded. I suck at I suck at singing, but I feel like trying to do it, so I'm going to. And if there's mess ups, there's gonna be mess ups. As we wake up in your room, your face is the first thing I see. First time I've seen love, and the last I'll ever need. You're a reminder that the future is nothing without her. Never lose her, I'm afraid. Think of something good to say. It's all been done more than once, so keep on trying. God, don't let me be the only one who says no. At the top of our lungs, there's no such thing as too young. Second chances won't leave you alone. There's faith in love. She was always the one. Repeat it again, the one. No such thing as too young. Red light flashing, car we're kissing. Call me crazy, I've always tried to remind her that the future's just a few heartbeats away from disaster. I'm afraid that I've thrown it all away. No, at the top of our lungs there's no such thing as too young. Second chances won't leave you alone. Won't leave you No, the top of our lungs, there's no such thing as too young. Chances won't leave you alone. No, we'll repeat it again. There's no such thing as too young. Second chances won't leave you alone. There's faith in love. You kiss me goodnight, I'll know everything is alright. Second chances won't leave us alone. There's faith in love. I'm pretty sure it's over. That really sucked.